Hello guys, so it's me again. Today I decided to try Korean side dish. A very simple one. I think you all will like it. It's very easy to do. Let's try it together. See you.
So I pretty started it already. This is what is called the. It's like the spam, spam with egg side dish. Usually when you go to a Korean restaurants, they serve this, and I really liked it, so I decided to do that for myself. So first you buy this. It's called what is it? It's home. Yes. So that's spam. Well, the British say spam. Americans will say spam. Yeah. So that's it. That's spam. And then you just get some eggs. You break some eggs down. So I broke some eggs here, and I'm experimenting with some Korean food. So just break the eggs and then cut this into pieces and then put them into the egg. And afterwards, I'm going to fry them. So I'm going to fry them to look like that. I've already started. So the video is quite late, but I just said, let me just keep record of what I'm doing. Yeah, after all, it doesn't cost anything. All right, so I've done it. I've done the first batch. I'm going to do again, and then I'll show you. So let's go to the kitchen.
All right, I'm back to the kitchen. So I just put on the fire. I'm waiting for the pan to heat up a little, and then I'll add the oil. Yeah, my frying oil. So whilst I wait, we can just have a very brief conversation. Someone asked me, okay, so what is it like being an international student in a foreign country? What are some of the disadvantages? Well, there are many advantages and as well there are disadvantages. One of the disadvantages I would say is during weekdays. Weekdays you are just, let's say if you're a student, you are working the law, or if you're a worker, you are working, and so you are so busy you can't actually get time for yourself. But during the weekends, when you have nothing doing, that's when loneliness sets in. You think about family, you think about so many things at the same time. So for me, what I do is I like to try new things. For example, try cooking, try going out with friends, try other things, just to keep myself busy. So just like this, I'm just doing it for fun. Just want to grab something to eat. It's nothing serious. I'm not a chef. I'm not trained. I just watch and do whatever I can do. It's none of. It's just my own business. You get it? Yes. So that's it. I put the oil inside, and now I'm going to fry the spam. Some say spam. Well, there's a story to that spam aspect. I'll tell you another time. So what you do here is that you wait for it to heat up a little before you pour it inside. So I'm waiting for some time. Okay. I think it's pretty done. Let's increase it a little for it to heat up a little. And then lower it a little. And then let me just add it inside from here. Okay. Alright. And then add another one. I hope you can all see. Okay. And then add another one to it. And then okay, I'll just keep adding. I just want talking about it. So yes, I said I would tell you a story about this spam thing. So as a British English learner, I should say, because I'm from Ghana, and in Ghana we study British English. We don't do the American style. So when I came here, I heard people say, "Oh, I want to eat spam." I'm like, "What? Dude, what are you talking about? You want to eat spam?" In fact, it was my teacher. My teacher said once that she ate spam and it was delicious. I'm like, what is the? How come my teacher is eating spam and she's boldly telling the class? I got a little bit confused. Well, and she said Koreans like spam a lot. Like, dude, hold it there. If you eat spam, it's fine. But if you say Koreans like sperm a lot, that's quite confusing. Then I later realized they were referring to this spam. Like, it's spam, not sperm. What are you guys doing? Why do you want to confuse everyone? Oh my god, this is bad. I have to hurry up. I have to be quick. Oh my god. It's a little bit. It's a little bit thin. Oh, I bent it off. No worries, no worries. It's mine. I'm going to eat it alone, so it's okay. It's a little bit, but what can I say? I can't control it. I guess it's because I was talking. It's all part of it. So I have beautiful ones, so a few bent is nothing after all. I'm gonna eat it alone. Yeah. So that is it. Yeah, you just keep doing it like that and you're done. So you can see nicely plated in there. You wait for some time and everything will get cooked. So I will do the rest and then get back to you. Okay, so fast forward. The first batch was quite not good, but it was okay. And this is the second batch, you can see. Nicely laid. Yeah. So that is it. Yeah, like what I was saying. It's simple. You can just give it a try. After all, you are here to learn. You're here to learn the culture, the people, the way of life. It doesn't take anything away from you if you know how to do these simple things. At least when you go back home, you can tell people, hey, let me show you something new. Yeah, that's the essence of studying abroad. To learn something new. Open up your mind. Learn more things, yeah. So I will show you everything at the end of the video. Yeah, and I'm going to set up my food. How I'm going to eat this with my rice and other side dishes, which I prepared too. Yeah, I prepared a lot. So I'll show you all those ones at the end of the video. So that's it. So the remaining egg, which is the last part, so I couldn't use all the eggs, so the remaining, the big chunk, I just added everything into the frying pan to make big fried egg. Yes, just big fried egg. Yeah, it was left with just one spam, so just a big fried egg. One thing about life I would like to say is that sometimes in life, fear holds us back from doing the most important things in life. We are always afraid of what people will say. But dude, okay, forget about it. At long run, we will regret what we didn't do compared to what we did. So what we didn't do would be our source of regret for the long run. So it's better to just try things. Not things that will put your life at risk, but things that are considered considerable risks. Yeah, just try new things. They don't take anything away from you. They just make you into a better person, and they create memories. Yeah. Well, nothing happens to you when you don't do them, but at long run, what have you achieved? The time wasted just doing things of less relevance. You can just use them to learn something new. So that's it. I'm trying something new here. It's my first time. Never tried this before. I was just in bed and something came to me. Hey, try this. Okay, okay. This year, my new principle. I don't care what people say. I'm telling you, if you have a new idea, you have a new thing you want to do, you tell anyone, the first answer you get is it's not possible. You can't do it. Why are you doing it? Don't waste your time. The reason is because they haven't tried it themselves. So because they haven't tried themselves, they try to put you down so that you don't also do it. Just tell them, alright, I don't care whatever you said, I just going to do my thing, whether it works or not, it's none of your business. Just do it. Yeah, after all. When you are in bed, you're going to be in bed alone. What the thinking you have on the pillow, you can do all that alone. So it's yourself. Wow, it came out so beautifully. I never thought so. So I'm going to set up a table and then show that to you too. Let's go to the dining table.
Hello. So everything is set and done. I'm finally done. So that's what I prepared. What the last one I did. And then that's the spam with egg, which is very popular when you go to restaurant. And I also have some side dishes here. Yeah, I think this is almost done. Right? Small anchovies. And that's my rice, and then some fishes. And then that is what I prepared the last time, kimchi with tuna. Yep. And then these are crabs, and then seaweed. So that's it. Yeah, that's my breakfast. You can eat this anytime. So it's weekends. I don't want to go out feeling bored. I decided to do it on my own and then eat it. So that's it. So I'll let you know what happens later on. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be uploading such videos and other more. So like and then subscribe. And if you also have your own experiences, you can share with us. And let's see. It's Korean food challenge. Let's see what you are doing out there. It's weekends. See you. Bye.